Kill him. And it keeps trying to go forward. That's good. That's what we expect. Green, does it go for red? It's going for red next.
It should, yeah.
Run. Run.
It's got video corruption.
My backpack. Run. Uh-oh, shit. Excuse me.
Actually, detecting me.
Yeah, everyone needs to bring jackets. In the future, I'll bring a jacket next time. I have a black one. Nothing wrong with that. It's not one of us. Woohoo! Okay, we're at 145. 147. Kill him. Oh. Didn't kill him yet. Why are you going backwards? No, 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 no. What's going on? Do you have any idea what's going on?
Not entirely.
Okay. Like,
Guess we should investigate that.
how laggy is the video stream? Oh, kill him. Kill him. Success. 2 for 2. We are at 2 minutes 35 seconds.
The video is pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be going for blue.
Hey, it's tracking it. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Nice.
3 out of 3.
That's good.
We're at 3 minutes. 3 minutes on the clock. Which is... Hey, it didn't crash into the blackboard going backwards.
Oh!
Ding, 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 ding. Except that we're 30 seconds over time. Ding, 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 ding.
30 seconds. You have to accept. Yeah, even.